Per Inside EVs, there's growing concern in the auto industry regarding President Donald Trump's potential tariffs on Canada and Mexico. General Motors Canada President Christian Aquilina warns these tariffs could disrupt the North American auto supply chain, increasing vehicle prices for consumers. Canadian officials have threatened retaliatory tariffs, which could impact vehicles assembled in the U.S. In other news, Scout Motors is firmly opposing Volkswagen dealers' attempts to influence its direct-to-consumer sales model. Scout CEO Scott Keogh emphasizes that Scout operates independently from Volkswagen and will not follow the traditional dealership model. Additionally, Volkswagen CEO Oliver Blume hints at expanding the partnership with Rivian, following a recent $6 billion deal. This collaboration may include hardware sharing and volume purchasing, potentially reducing costs for both companies. Rivian, having delivered 51,579 vehicles last year, could benefit significantly from Volkswagen's scale. The partnership aims to enhance software development for modern vehicles. You are listening to Yuan News.